everyone. Just going to show people real quick on a rear adjustment spring on the Toro Timemaster 30. As you can see, if I can focus it in, it's kind of hard. I've got a little crack that started on there, right where that rust spot is on the bottom side there. Right, I can't really show you with a finger or anything, but anyway, you can, if you can see it, you might make it out. That angle right there, tiny little crack. That's enough to make the whole thing just drop out on you when you're mowing and cause scalp marks and stuff. So I'm replacing it. And just a quick thing, people have asked me how hard are they. They're not very difficult to put on. This goes on first, and then this slides on the carriage bearing, and then you have a little washer, C-clip, half-inch nut that holds that in, your gear for your wheel, and a wire clip for it, and then a 9/16 nut for the wheel, and that's all it's to it. Don't worry about it. Everybody talks, oh, it's going to fall down, and all this. No, it doesn't fall down. Matter of fact, I'm holding this up with an old cap and rotor from my 454, and basically this will slot it around, but once you put everything back together, you'll be able to adjust the height just fine. Sometimes these carriage bearings get a little tight on here. Make sure you got the C-clip and the washer off, and you tap them a little bit, tap the actual axle, and it'll knock in some, and then just take like a monkey wrench and put it behind it, and you can pop them right out. No big deal. And then you just put it back on. You need a monkey wrench or some kind of tool like that, C-clip remover, simple screwdriver, 9/16 and a half-inch socket, and some little needle nose pliers, and that's all it's to it. It's no big deal. And this is the new one. You have to remove the little grabbing spot nudge thing. I forgot what they call these things. The little part that grabs on your height adjustment. That's all it's to it. Nothing else. You guys can do it. Sorry about the shaky video. I'm inside the garage and no stand or nothing. But anyway, mower's running great. Besides that, just Toro's weak spot. They need to replace those. I'm thinking about trying to build my own aftermarket one, maybe. A lot of people are complaining about this. They've had problems with them. This is like the 7th or 8th one I've replaced between the two Timemaster 30s I've had. But the second generation Timemaster I've had here is way better than my first one. No other major problems. Till next time, have a good one. It's easy, guys. You can do it. Have a good one.